Welcome to the last lesson of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. During this class, we've learned the main pronunciation and spelling rules of 21 Dutch consonant letters. We've seen that these consonant letters can be pronounced in various ways, either individually or in combination with other letters. In total, we've learned 26 Dutch consonants during this class. As you may have noticed, many of these Dutch consonants are either identical or very similar to English consonants. In chapter 23 of my book, Dutch Pronunciation and Spelling for Beginners, I've sorted these 26 Dutch consonants into 3 categories depending on their similarities with English consonants. The first category consists of Dutch consonants that also appear in English. This is the majority of the 26 Dutch consonants, namely 16 of them. English speakers actually don't need to specifically learn these 16 consonants because they are already using them in English. The second category is Dutch consonants that are nearly identical or very similar to certain English consonants. As many as 8 out of the 26 Dutch consonants discussed during this class belong to this group. In order to pronounce these Dutch consonants correctly, English speakers only need to make some minor adjustments to the way they pronounce the similar English consonants. During this class, I've explained these differences and showed you what adjustments need to be made. So I hope you won't find these Dutch consonants difficult anymore after completing this class. The last category comprises Dutch consonants that do not appear in English. In fact, only 2 Dutch consonants belong to this group. They are ch, as in the Dutch word chaos, and r, as in the Dutch word rood. In the relevant lessons of this class, I've explained and demonstrated how these 2 consonants are pronounced. I've also provided you with some alternative ways to pronounce the consonant r, out of which you can choose the most comfortable pronunciation for yourself. So, all in all, I hope that after completing this class, you'll no longer find Dutch consonants or consonant letters complicated or difficult. It has been a great pleasure for me to teach this class. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I wish you all the best in your continued learning and hope to see you again in my future videos.